Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I have unusual story of Eddie Sims. So this lady has a very unusual bucket list of wish that she wanted to get arrested. Yes, my dear friends, this centenarian, when she was at the age of 102 in 2016, made headlines with the wish of getting arrested. And when whole media was covering her, and when they asked how she felt, she said, "Oh, handcuffs and all? Yeah, it's good." So, you know what? And when police asked her, "Ma'am, do you want to wear these handcuffs?" She's like, "Yeah, of course." And when she gracefully sat in police car, so they have not taken her to jail or something. You know where they have taken? They have taken her to the senior citizen five-star accommodation. And you know what is the coincidence? In this accommodation, she has been supplying all this handmade scarves, socks, and these eyewear glass covers and everything from ages, but she has never visited personally and she has never given them. So this was the opportunity when police has provided to meet with all those people personally, and she has gifted all these things with her own hands. And she has left her heavenly body in 2019 when she was 104. She breathed her last very peacefully, and she's a generous lady. I mean, if anyone of you would like to explore more about her, they can go to Wikipedia. So keep your inner child alive always. I'll be posting the link also for her. And this is what I have got, that keep your inner child alive always, and keep on inspiring people and keep on doing certain activities like this, which I also feel that I should also be doing. That my inner child is super active after listening to this, right? Because I'm not even half of her age. So definitely, and you also maybe of her age, those who are, get inspired and get motivated to do certain adventure in your life. So today, a wellness mantra which I have, it's a story, very small story. So today, in the evening when I visited a religious place, every day, as I told you, I never tell anything what I don't implement in my life. So I always visit some religious places in the evening. So to enhance my aura, because it's a positive, your positive aura will get enhanced. So when I was visiting, it was raining heavily, and I was going back to my house in hurry, but I have seen an old lady who was not able to walk. She was looking at me, however my face was covered, but I just offered her a lift, which she was least expecting. And then I just asked her, where can I drop? She's just said that I'd be glad and grateful that you asked, and you can drop me wherever you want to. So I just dropped her. I asked her, where is your home? So she told me, so I've dropped her to the home. However, she was expecting I may drop her to the outside lane only, where she can go easily. I mean, I may let her only cross the road. And you know what? When I have stopped at her doorsteps, she was so happy, so grateful, and the feeling which it has given me, I may not be able to purchase with whole world's wealth also. The kind of blessings, the kind of positive words, and the kind of vibrations and energies which she has given. So my purpose was solved. I wanted to raise my vibration. It has got raised so much. So the oxytocin and serotonin which has been generated with this act, it's commendable and it was immense, right? So however, dropping her home, first asking a lift which she was least expecting, was extra for her. Then dropping her home was super extra, and the kind words which she has given me, those were extra. She said, people like you are making the planet beautiful. You will get, your mother is very generous lady, this that, she's blessed one. You know what? It hardly matters what people say about me. Even if they say my mother is cursed one or blessed one, it hardly matters. But the positive energy and intentions what people are having about you, this gives you a separate aura and energy, and it enhances your aura. So you know what? This is a wellness mantra. Keep your nature like that it will be extra for them, right? Keep yourself like that people think that you are doing extra. However, it is just normal thing for you, because it was not a big deal for me. I have not gone far away. I needed to go here, I just went there, that's it. And I definitely, I'll go back to my destination only. However, it was extra for someone. I have not even told where I was going. So I just asked her home, I just dropped her silently, and my face was also covered. She was not even able to see me, who I am. So never ever show your face when you're doing something good, and never ever make them feel small. However, tell your acts everything. ये नहीं बताना कि आपको कितना डोनेशन दिया, आपने 10 करोड़ दिए या 5 करोड़ दिए, आपने 1 रुपया दिया, 5 रुपये दिए. डोंट मेक देम फील स्मॉल बाय डूइंग दैट. हाउएवर, टेल दीज एक्ट्स आपने डोनेट कहीं पे किया है, बस इतना बताने की ज़रूरत है. सो दैट यू आर इंस्पायरिंग अदर्स एंड क्रिएट दैट वाइब इन द यूनिवर्स. Right? So are you understanding what is the purpose behind this? I have not told कि मैं कहाँ से गई थी, कौन सी religious place थी, कहाँ से मैंने drop किया, क्यों, क्या, कौन था, कहाँ था. Never ever. I've just told you the incident and act, so that you may also get inspired and you may also do the similar act, right? So this is the wellness mantra. Keep on doing good acts and keep on generating serotonin and oxytocin. Keep on going extra mile, right? So make this as your habit and nature. Just like a rose flower will give you a fragrance, right? And tube rose will always be highly fragrant. So be a tube rose. So thank you so much for watching my video and for liking, sharing, and please share it with the ones who need it. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.